No-code automation is having a moment. Tools like N8n have turned days of glue coding into a few connected nodes on a canvas. Anyone can wire up an API, trigger a workflow, and move data between apps without writing a single line of code. But there's a wall most no-code automation tools hit. That is the browser. The moment your automation agent needs to actually open a web page, scrape a site that fights back, fill a form, test a flow, capture a screenshot, or run something through a real Chrome session, that's where the no-code magic starts to break down. Suddenly, you're spinning up infrastructure, babysitting headless browsers, and fighting timeouts, bot detection, and captchas. That's exactly the gap we want to close with the TestMu AI Agent Node. Your agent gets enterprise-grade headless browser infrastructure. You get a real browser in the cloud that your N8n workflow can drive. No servers to manage, no Chrome instances to maintain. Just drop the node onto your canvas and your automation can see and act on the web the way a human would. You get long-running sessions and hundreds of concurrent browsers with no infrastructure to manage or scale. To use the TestMu AI Agent Node with N8n, you'll need a TestMu AI account so that all your tests can be connected and organized in a single place. Hop over to TestMu AI to create one. The link is in the description below. Now, navigate to credentials at the bottom of the TestMu AI dashboard and copy a username and password to paste into your N8n node later. Just a quick note, do not share these credentials with anyone for security reasons. Now, head over to N8n and create a workflow and add a trigger node to start the workflow. Then, connect an AI agent to the trigger. This can be any AI agent, including in-house agents or popular ones like OpenAI or Anthropic. For this demo, let's take an OpenAI agent and click the pencil icon to provide the API key. If the API key is correct, a successful connection message will appear in green. Then, write the prompt message, which is the action you want the agent to perform. The agent part is now done. All that's left is to connect the TestMu Agent Node to this agent so it can perform actions on browser cloud infrastructure. Double-click on the node to set it up for your session. Provide your credentials such as browser name, platform, browser version, and the region to run the browser on. Once all this is set up, you're ready to fire up the trigger, and the TestMu AI agent takes over all your browser tasks automatically. Now head over to the TestMu AI dashboard to watch the session live with console commands and logs as the agent calls them. No-code didn't just make automation faster, it put it in everyone's hands. And now, with the TestMu AI agent inside N8n, the one thing that used to need a developer and a server rack is just another node on your canvas. Thank you for watching.